How to edit PDF file on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Acrobat application on your phone. The Adobe Acrobat Reader app allows users to view, annotate, fill, and sign PDF documents. It also enables sharing, storing, and accessing PDFs from various cloud storage locations. You will then be taken to the Acrobat homepage. Here, you can view your recent and starred files. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Files. Here, tap on iPhone Files. Choose the file you want to edit from here. You can view this PDF file over here. Now, go to the bottom panel and swipe left. Tap on Edit PDF as shown. You can now edit this file using the edit options below. Following these steps, you can easily edit PDF file on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.